आर यू समवन who's feeling कि सडनली सब कुछ खत्म हो रहा है, रिश्ते खत्म हो रहे हैं, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, लाइफ सडनली डल हो गई है, जॉब छूट रही है, नए जॉब में जाना है, या फिर रिलेशनशिप्स आर कमिंग टू एन एंड, whatever is happening, my dear Pisces, Scorpio and Cancer, this is a part of life and this is the year which is the number 9 and 9 का मतलब है endings, new beginnings. So new beginnings के लिए कुछ end तो होना ही होगा ना. Hi, I'm Sharon Mehta. I'm a tarot card reader, healer, runecaster, and my USP is property healing. Apart from that, I do numerology and I'm a life coach too. So let's find out what are the angels, the divine and Mata Rani telling you for Navratri. क्या message है आपके लिए? क्या है दशहरा का message? How do you win over the evil? And since you're the water sign, you're the most emotional sign. So let's see. All the emotional signs, you need a lot of protection. So by evil eye, evil eye, evil eye from all sides. You need major protections. Sometimes you need protection from your own relatives. Yes, that's a big question mark. There are lots of relationships that are going to come to an end, and it's okay. It's time. Some of you may even travel, and this travel will bring a lot of blessing. So कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है और कुछ खराब हो रहा है. तो कुछ खराब होता है तो उसके बाद ही कुछ अच्छा होता है, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो डिवाइन बोल रही है, माता रानी बोल रही है, जो बुरा समय है वो खत्म हो रहा है, जो अच्छा समय है वो चालू हो रहा है. सो लेट्स सी. एंड व्हाट इज द मूनोलॉजी सेइंग? द मूनोलॉजी बोल रहा है नथिंग इज सेट इन स्टोन. सो जो भी है, इफ यू थिंक इट इज डेस्टिनी, नो इट इज नॉट डेस्टिनी. यू कैन एट टाइम्स चेंज योर डेस्टिनी. डिड यू नो दैट? या, आई नो दैट एंड नाउ यू नो टू. सो लेट्स सी कि आपका वर्क लाइफ कैसे चल रहा है. सो व्हाट आई सी इज अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इन द फैमिली. ऑब्वियसली वेकेशन टाइम्स आता है तो यू एंजॉय अ लॉट. हैड यू बीन सेलिंग इन टू बोट्स एट वन टाइम, मीन्स अगर आप ज़्यादा मल्टीटास्किंग कर रहे थे तो अभी समय है कि जो पहले वाला टास्क था उसको कंप्लीट करो. इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग ऑन 2 projects, you're going to work on the first project more importantly than the other, but you are still stuck there. You're somehow not moving forward. And why aren't you moving forward? Is because you're not exploring your options. You need to explore your options. You will find the way. You need to ask for help. Help मिल रहा है. Money is not a concern. Yes, you may think money is a concern, but money actually is not a concern. You know how to arrange the money. You know how to get the money. But मगर आप सोच रहे हो कि फिर क्या होगा और ऐसे करूँगा तो या ऐसे करूँगी तो क्या होगा. Let me tell you, जो भी होगा सब अच्छा होगा. Money will come when it has to come. All you need to do is take the action. You know what action you need to take, but you're not taking, because for that you will need to end something. Could it be that you will need to end your laziness? You are sitting at home a lot. So yes. So now let's come to most important, love life कैसी रहेगी. So passion. अभी passion नहीं आएगा स्कॉर्पियो, कैंसर और पाइसेस में, तो फिर क्या आएगा? And the next card is waiting for the right one. Is this person worth waiting for? The answer is yes. The person is worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life, and everything will happen if you allow yourself to receive. So if you allow yourself to receive love, peace, happiness and joy, it's coming your way. Now coming to another situation which normally most of us face, and Scorpio, Pisces and Cancerians face a lot, is the ghosting scene. तो अगर किसी ने आपको ghost किया है या कोई no talking situation में है, no contact situation में है, so this person has 2 people in their life. 2 people are very important to them. Maybe you are one of them, maybe you're none of them. This person stays far away from you. This person is not in the same city or in the same country. It could be in another country, it could be in another city. But this person is enjoying a very successful life, and at times you are also. Now, ये कह सकते हैं कि आपकी नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन इसलिए है क्योंकि दोनों में से किसी ने कोई एफर्ट ही नहीं किया है. यू नीड टू मेक एन एफर्ट टू कनेक्ट. इफ यू डोंट मेक द एफर्ट टू कनेक्ट, नथिंग विल हैपन. It is a third party situation. It's a 100% third party situation, and none of you are making the choice. मगर अचानक कुछ हो जाएगा, and अचानक this person either will टपको in your house or maybe will do nothing. as usual. This person doesn't do anything. So for you, it is nothing new. So that's all, my dear Scorpio, Cancer, and Piscean. I hope this Dashera goes fantastic for you. Happy Navratri and happy Dashera to all of you all.